Frankfurt, where medieval half-timbered houses stand in the shadow of glass skyscrapers, and you're stuck on a bus seeing neither. A guided bus tour gives you 5 minutes at the Römer and a photo stop by the Cathedral. Then it's back on the bus. Uvamai's Frankfurt self-guided audio tour hands you expertly narrated stops across the Altstadt and the skyline, from the Römer to the main tower. For just $6, your access link arrives straight to your inbox with professional narration and an interactive map ready whenever you are. No group. No rush. Just Frankfurt at your pace. Stand in the rebuilt Römerberg, Frankfurt's medieval heart. Step inside the red sandstone Cathedral of St. Bartholomew, where Holy Roman emperors were once crowned. Ride up for skyline views from the main tower. Wander the Stedel Museum's centuries of art. Then breathe in the Palmengarten's botanical calm and cross the Iron Bridge as the main river glows at dusk. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Frankfurt, not just photograph it. $6. Frankfurt's Old Town and Skyline, all in one tour. Your pace, your story. Get your access link now at uvamai.com.